Hi traders, this is Mikael Fusjö from beststrategiesfortrading.com. I'm preparing the chart before the opening of the US market, the 12th of November 2013. I'm having about 12 charts that I'm going to use for my limits orders today. Take a look at the background, what I'm doing. My trading style is swing trading. My philosophy is contrarian. I'm using the price action levels for my trade decision, where I put my limits order. It comes from pivots, trend lines, or moving average. I have a limitation of more than $10 million in daily average turnover for the stocks that I use. I have a method that I developed myself that scans scanning algorithm for that I use Metastock. If you want to more in detail the philosophy and the psychology why this kind of technical analysis is working, so please watch tutorial technical analysis 101 on YouTube on my channel. For the money management, I'm using a position size of 10%. My target is trailing 2.6%. I reset that every end of day. My stop is a trailing with minus 1.3%, also reset end of day. Quickly explain how this works very quickly. This is the chart of the S&P 500, or exactly the SPY, the tracking ETF. So here we got a peak from the year 2000, and when that price is coming up to the same level, it make retrace and bounces down. That's the price action coming from the peak level. That's what I'm using. It can also be used from the 200 moving average. That is probably the most used moving average. This is the red line. Here it comes up to the 200 moving average. It makes a bounce. Here it comes down, makes bounce. Here it comes down. Here it comes down, comes down, comes up, and so on and so on. I also use the trend lines. This could be a good example of trend lines. You connect several troughs, and that line that it's built is making the resistance area where probably future bounce will also come from. Okay, that's what me teaching the basics on my trading style. Let's take a look at the first chart, Vera Bradley. Here I got a trend line. If you connect this peak with this peak, and you got a trend line, and that when I calculate this before the video, I got the trend line at 25.73. That's where I put my limit order short sell. And also very important, always check if you have any earning or other very important event for that stock. You don't want to take a trade one day and the next day before the opening it comes an earnings release and you will be 5 to 10% on the wrong side of the trade. That's not a good way of trading. Okay, Vera Bradley is not having any problem with that. Next trade, next chart is Waste Connection. Here we got the 200 moving average building support down here at 40.24.94. And there where I put my order. We're gonna check for. Okay, let's quick organize that chart, and we got Waste Connection. Okay, we don't have any kind of problem with the earnings release coming up in the near future. Next chart is Wintrust Financials, WTFC. I'll go back in time. I have found this peak. I got the print at 44.93. That's the level I'm going to use. Any earnings? Nope. Okay, next chart is ASML Holding. Here we got 200 moving average down here, building support 82.37. Any earnings? Nope. Next chart, Cabot Corporation, and we got a high peak back in 2007 at 49.87. Cabot has any earnings? Nope. Next chart, CMA. I'm using this high peak at 45.84. This is the 200 monthly moving average, so I'm not going to use that one. 45.84. CMA, check for earnings. No earnings. Okay, next chart, Quest Diagnostics, DGX. I'm using this high print 64.87. That's my short sell level. Check earnings. No major event. Next chart, Amdocs. I'm using this high print or high peak of 41.1 cent back in 2006. That's the level. Check for earnings. No earnings or any other major event coming in the near future. DST Systems, we got a very defined high pivot, high peak here at 88.72. Check for any earning. DST, nope. Next chart, Harris. This is actually one chart that I have already missed, but I will take that today if it opened higher, even higher, 63.24, and now it's trading about 63.56. I'm gonna put my limit order just above and see if it trade today. Harris, any earnings coming out? Nope. Next chart, Old Republic. I'm using this high pivot from 2008, 17.25 cent. That's the level. It is not the best peak, but it's still a pivot. Old Republic, any earnings? Check in follow for event. No. And that's what's all the chart that I had to show you. We're gonna bring the actual limit order list in here. SML 82.37, CBT 49.87, that's a short sell. CMA short sale 45.84, DGX 64.87 short sale, DOX 41.1 cent short sale, DST 88.72 short sale, Harris 63.62 short sale, Old Republic 17.25 short sale, VRA 25.73 short sale, WCN 40.25 cent going long at that level, WTFC 44.93 short sell. And remember, this is my personal level. This is not in any kind an advice that anyone must or need or should do exactly as I do. This is more like a trading blog, so please be advised. If you do any kind of financial trades, be aware that it's coming with risk. It could be dangerous, and if you in any case do something, please do not put any more money on the line that you can afford to lose. Okay, that was me preparing the US market in front of the opening of the 12th of November 2013. Thank you for your attention and happy trading.